McPherson from McGrath Estate Agent.
And I'm Adam Cook, and today we're at our latest listing at 10 Todman Crescent, Barmaryee.
This stunning acreage property has a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, stunning in-ground pool and large 9x12 shed.
Come on in and we'll take a look.
Situated off the large living area and adjacent to the spacious dining area, you will find the functional corner kitchen with ample storage, quality electric appliances and breakfast bar. The spacious outdoor patio area is absolutely perfect for entertaining friends and overlooks the stunning in-ground pool. My absolute favourite feature about this property though has to be the dolphins.
So guys, there you have it, 10 Todman Crescent, Barmaryee. If you'd like an inspection, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.